Xiamen Berous Pumice and Manicure Technology Company Limited is located in Huli District, a beautiful island Xiamen city. Berous are a wholly owned subsidiary of the group with a high-tech enterprise specializing in the research and development, design, production, sales, warehousing and logistics, and the service of beauty and nail tools, personal care products, and household cleaning products. Our main products, including the disposable pedicure and manicure kits, PU Pumice, nail file, nail buffer, toe separator, spa liner, sterilization pouch, and a bath bomb, etc.